In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a website to the Windows 11 taskbar using the Brave browser. If you frequently visit a website and want faster access to it, pinning it directly to your Windows 11 taskbar is a simple and effective way to save time. Instead of opening the browser and typing the address every time, you can launch your favorite site with just a single click. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process using the Brave browser so you can set it up quickly and easily. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once it is running, navigate to the website you want to pin to your taskbar. Make sure the page has fully loaded, as this ensures the shortcut will correctly link to the site. Next, look toward the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. This will open a drop-down menu containing various browser options. From this menu, select Save and Share. Inside that section, choose Create Shortcut. This option allows Brave to generate a direct shortcut to the website you are currently viewing. A small pop-up window will appear on your screen asking you to name the shortcut. You can enter any name you prefer, but it is recommended to use the official website name for easier recognition later. Once you have entered the name, confirm the action by selecting Create. At this point, a shortcut will be generated and placed on your desktop. Now, move to your desktop and locate the newly created shortcut icon. This shortcut represents direct access to the website you selected in Brave. Once you find it, right-click on the shortcut to open additional options. From the menu that appears, select Show More Options. This will expand the full list of available actions for the shortcut. From the expanded menu, choose Pin to Taskbar. Once selected, Windows will immediately add the website shortcut to your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. This allows you to access the website instantly without needing to open Brave first or search for it manually. And that is how you can easily pin any website to the Windows 11 taskbar using the Brave browser, making your most frequently used sites available with just one click. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.